An unidentified man was fatally shot during an alleged confrontation with the police during an operation in Newlands district near Mayday, Manchester this morning. The incident has left some residents breathing a sigh of relief. Onlookers gathered in Mayday, Manchester Saturday morning following a shootout between the police and a gunman in their community hours earlier. Reports are that the police went to a house in search of the suspect when he fired at them. A resident, still shaken by the incident, spoke with our news team.
Most a shock, man. Most a shock, man. Most a shock, man. Little bit into police never shift himself, you know. Him get shot.
When the shooting ended, the man, who remains unidentified, was seen suffering from gunshot wounds. He was later pronounced dead. The police say a firearm was recovered. TVJ News has since learned that the community has been tense since the man who claimed to have relatives in the area moved in.
Tell me the truth, man. Oh God, man, my life was in fear, man. I don't know. I don't know. 5 brother, 4 sister, women, I tell you the truth. When we really see things like this going on, and the media have to step in, it's very serious.
The Manchester police have been busy all week following several shootings and murders across the parish. On Friday, a man was shot and killed meters from a school gate in Christiana after dropping off his stepchild at school. The spate of shootings has left some members of the church community concerned, triggering calls for more to be done.
I'm also pleading to the society to work with the police officers, also work with the councillors in the divisions, the persons on the ground who know these people, who know these wrongdoers, to find them, let justice and let them pay for the crime that they are doing.